Moca is the way to be able to leverage expertise, which is very limited in developing countries, to be able to reach out into areas that are remote and usually would not have access to these expertise. And in the process, there will be a lot of cost savings in terms of reducing delay in diagnosis, reducing delay in treatment. The main goal of going there is to bring the two teams together, and we made it kind of clear to our partner team in Manila that we want them to start driving the project from here up to the time that we have our pilot deployment in June. We told them that from this point on we will provide assistance and check up on them on a regular basis, but we really want them to start taking ownership so that with that they would have a greater accountability of the success of the deployment of our clinical information system. The other main objective of going there is to meet local officials. So while we were there, we met with the governor of the province, we met with the mayor of one of the municipality, and we also met with a congressman. And the reason for those meetings would be to garner up support and funding from the local government, because we expect them to provide the funding for the pilot deployment. To me, the most enthusiastic person in Capiz that we met was the chief medical officer of the district hospital. He was clearly an innovator. He was clearly one of those people who would embrace change and who would really get out of his way to make sure that he's delivering the best care to his people and willing to take the risk.
It's a real-time improvement, because one of the problems even in interpreting the x-rays, because we need to bring the film to the CT just to have it read.
The most impact, I believe, would be the team building efforts that we attempted, or we were trying to achieve between the two teams. I really thought that we fostered a lot of trust and relationship between the two teams, and to me that's very important in making me feel confident that the deployment will be successful in June. I see this as a time to separate our groups into the medical team, into the business strategy team, and the programmers team. And now that we've established contacts, I'm more confident that we will be able to kind of branch out and start doing our own tasks that are necessary to move the projects forward. My prediction is that the pilot deployment will be successful. And if that's the case, what we're looking at would be simultaneous deployments in the different partner organizations in Southeast Asia.